Hi everyone. We're going to find the area of a isosceles triangle, but first show that by showing that the area equals 1/2 side squared sine of theta. This is more of a proof. So what we're going to do first is know that cosine of theta, and what we did is we bisected the isosceles triangle here. So we know cosine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is your height, but our angle is cut in half here. So if you cut this in half, this is like theta over 2. So this whole thing is your theta. And if you cut it in half, it's theta over 2. So a cosine of theta over 2 equals adjacent over your hypotenuse. So there's that. And now let's do sine. So sine, and again we're halving this angle because we did we bisected it. So theta over 2 is going to be opposite. So the opposite here, if this is your base, so our opposite of this is 1/2 the base. So 1/2 b over your hypotenuse. Okay? So I'm going to solve for h on both of these. H equals, I'm cross multiplying, side, or s, times cosine of theta over 2. And in this case, I get s, or b, I'm going to solve for b, equals 2 times s sine of theta over 2. Basically, I just cross multiplied and then multiplied everything through by 2 because of this 1/2 here. Alright, now area we know is 1/2 base times height. So this is my height, this is my base. So basically I'm going to just use substitution and work this out. So area, equals 1/2, my base is 2s times sine of theta over 2, and my height is right here, is s times cosine of theta over 2. Alright? Now I'm going to group things together. I have area equals the 1/2 times 2 cancels here, so I don't need to write that again. So I'm going to get s squared sine of theta over 2 times cosine of theta over 2. So basically, if I want to write this back in, because I'm trying to make it look like this, so I'm going to rewrite it and go ahead and put the 1/2 back in that I crossed out here. And that's okay to do that. It's not like you made a mistake. You just know that you need it now that you look at what you're really wanting here. Alright, and this is your double angle identity again. So basically what we get, it equals 1/2 sine squared, or side squared, sine of theta. This is your product rule. So basically, that's the answer, and we found out what the area was. All right, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.